CNC group break, 23,478. We have got the 5-box multi-year Allure break, starting with 22-23. Orange slice die cut of Jordan Greenway for Minnesota, an orange yellow of Ostapchuk for New Jersey, and an iced out for Winnipeg of Mark Scheifele, and a rookie for Winnipeg of Declan Chisholm. Black rainbow of CloutsnChara for Pittsburgh, red orange for Boston of Jeremy Swayman, blockers for Dallas of Ottinger, and a rookie for Arizona of Nathan Smith. If they fill, absolutely. Black rainbow for Edmonton, Evan Bouchard. Red-orange of Kent Johnson for Columbus. Runways for New Jersey of Sharon Govich. And a rookie for New Jersey of Riley Walsh. Red rainbow of CloutsnChara for Pittsburgh. Green-blue of Kolyakanok for Arizona. Rookie for Philly of Isaac Ratcliffe. And number to 65, yellow-green color flow spectrum for the New York Islanders of Anders Lee. Red rainbow of Bouchard for Edmonton. Red-orange for Vegas of Caden Korczak. Rookie for Ottawa of Victor Loden. And number to 100, red-orange color flow spectrum of Kochetkov for Carolina. Red rainbow rookie for Winnipeg of Asima. Orange-yellow for the Islanders of Parise. Rookie for Anaheim of Lucas Dostal. And a red rainbow rookie auto of Jake Christensen for Columbus. Black rainbow for Dallas of Jason Robertson. Yellow-green for Arizona of Kolyakanok. Game stills for Columbus of Boone Jenner. And a rookie for Philly of Ronnie Attard. Black rainbow of Joel Farabee for Philly. Orange-yellow for Vegas of Logan Thompson. Blockers for Tampa of Vasilevsky. Rookie for Montreal of Jordan Harris. Black rainbow rookie of Mark Kostelic for Ottawa. Red-orange color flow of Morgan Barron for Winnipeg. Quartz die cut for Carolina of Slavin. And a rookie of Jack McBain for Arizona. (21-22). Orange slice die cut of Teuvo Teravainen for Carolina. Jersey number parallel number to 199 for Vancouver of JT Miller. And a Quinton Byfield rookie for LA. A red-orange for Carolina of Sveshnikov. Iced out for Dallas of J-Rob. And a rookie for Pittsburgh of Radim Zornak. Red rainbow for Pittsburgh of Jake Gensel. Orange-yellow for Florida of Spencer Knight. And a rookie for Philly of Cam York. Black rainbow of Olofsson for Buffalo. Bread baskets for Florida, Bobrovsky. And a rookie for the Rangers of Lundqvist. Black rainbow for Washington of Lapierre. Quartz for Florida of Huberdeau. Rookie for Chicago of Mike Hardman. Red-orange color flow for Edmonton of Draisaitl. Rookie for San Jose of Eklund. And a red rainbow autograph for the Islanders of Jean-Gabriel Pageau. Red rainbow of Hurdle for Florida. Control room for Detroit of Raymond. And a rookie for Seattle of Cole Lind. Black rainbow of Kirill Kaprizov for Minnesota. Blue-purple for St. Louis of Ryan O'Reilly. And a rookie for Detroit of Lucas Raymond. 2021. Grand entrance for Ottawa of Josh Norris, blue rainbow rookie for Columbus of Liam Foudy, and a blue rookie for Vancouver of Yo Levy. Rookie for Philly of Zamula, black rainbow for Vegas of Mark Stone, iced out of Nick Robertson for Toronto, a blue rookie for Edmonton of Ryan McLeod, and a rookie for Dallas of J-Rob. How did you get missed? That makes no sense. Red rainbow for Vegas of Mark Stone. Grand entrance, red rainbow for Toronto of Nick Robertson, a rainbow blue rookie for Buffalo of Ottinger, a blue rookie for Ottawa of Josh Norris, rookie for Columbus of Liam Foudy, black rainbow for Calgary of Giordano, grand entrance for Colorado of Shane Bowers, blue rookie of Lafreniere for the Rangers, a rookie for Vancouver of DiPietro, and a rookie for the Islanders of Kiefer Bellows. Rookie for Dallas of Thomas Harley, red rainbow for Calgary of Giordano, diagnostics for Minnesota Parise, and a blue rookie for Columbus of Kivleniuk. Black rainbow rookie for the New York Rangers of Lafreniere, blue rookie for Colorado of Francouz, rookie for Dallas of Jake Ottinger, and number to 35, blue line rookie for Chicago of Philip Kurashev. Rookie of Kurashev for Chicago, orange slice die cut of Merzlikins for Columbus, grand entrance for Colorado Martin Cott, blue rookie for Columbus of Liam Foudy. Rookie for LA of Velarde, black rainbow for Toronto of John Tavares, blue rookie for Toronto of Korshkov, rookie of Ty Dellandrea for Dallas, and a red rainbow rookie auto number to 299 for the New York Islanders, Kiefer Bellows. $23.24. We have got a black rainbow rookie for Ottawa of Ridley Gregg, golden goalies for Vegas of Logan Thompson, green-blue color flow for Nashville of UC Saros, and a rookie for Ottawa of Levi Miralainen. A red rainbow rookie for Buffalo of Matt Savoy, Lumber Masters for Dallas of Wyatt Johnston, red-orange for Buffalo of Alex Tuck, and a rookie for Edmonton of Day Harnay. Black rainbow for Winnipeg of Kyle Connor, iced breakaway for St. Louis of Parayko, orange-yellow of Michelli for Arizona, and a rookie for Toronto of Matthew Knives. Red rainbow of Nick Suzuki for Montreal. A red-orange for Winnipeg of Perfetti. A rookie of Riker Evans for Seattle. And a hypnosis for the New Jersey Devils of Jack Hughes. An orange slice of Andrei Svechnikov for Carolina. An orange-yellow for Nashville of UC Saros. A rookie of Nestorenko for Anaheim. We have a blue-purple Spectrum rookie for the Columbus Blue Jackets, number to 25, Adam Fantilli. Adam Fantilli. Oh, my mistake. I didn't realize one of them was Premier. Thanks for clarifying, Shelly. Black rainbow of Alex Tuck for Buffalo. Red-orange for Carolina, Brent Burns. Rookie for Calgary of Coronado. And a full rainbow autograph of Juuso Parssinen for the Nashville Predators. Black Rainbow rookie for Toronto, Bobby McMahon. Bar down for Florida, Barkov. Red-orange for Columbus of Fantilli. And a rookie for Dallas of Matt Murray. Black Rainbow for Philly of Travis Konechny. Polished Pros for Colorado of Makar. Orange Yellow for Dallas of Marshmall. And a rookie for Chicago of Cole Gutman. Oh, okay. Sorry, that one can go tonight. All right, 1920. That's up to you guys. If it fills, yes. If not, it will go on the day it fills. Rookie for Arizona, Barrett Hayton. Top 50 for LA of Blake Lizotte. Red Rainbow die cut for Edmonton of Draisaitl. Rookie for Detroit of Hirose. Rookie for Chicago, Kirby Dach. Nathan Bastian for New Jersey. Eric Brandstrom for Ottawa. Pink rookie of Carl Grundstrom for LA. White Rainbow die cut for Anaheim of John Gibson. Rookie of Cale Fleury for Montreal. Philip Zadina for Detroit. Top 50 for Dallas of Joel L'Esperance. And a rookie for the Islanders of Wallstrom. We have a steel die cut, number 250 for the Colorado Avalanche, Mikko Rantanen. Rookie for Boston of Trent Frederick. For the record for Boston of Tuukka Rask. White Rainbow die cut for Pittsburgh of Matt Murray. And a rookie for Montreal of Ryan Poehling. Top 50 for Ottawa of Max Verano. Rookie for Vancouver of Zach McEwen. And a red rainbow jersey for the Ottawa Senators, Eric Brandstrom. Short print rookie for the Islanders of Wallstrom. Orange slice die cut number to 199 for Buffalo of Jack Eichel. Top 50 for Detroit of Zadina. White rainbow die cut for San Jose of Carlson. Rookie for LA of Blake Lizotte. Rookie for Columbus of Texier. Winter Storm warning for Columbus of Cam Atkinson. Rookie for Vegas of Cody Glass. And a top 50 rookie auto for Columbus, Elvis Merzlikins. No problem, Shelly. There we go, folks.